What if I told you that Mars, the red planet, is hiding secrets that could change everything we know about the universe, from ancient riverbeds that hint at a watery past to bizarre formations that look almost artificial? Today, we're diving into the 20 strangest things we've found on Mars. These discoveries will leave you scratching your head and questioning what you thought you knew about our neighboring planet. So, buckle up and stick around until the end, because you won't want to miss the mind-blowing revelations that will make you look at Mars in a whole new light. Let's unravel the mysteries of the red planet together. The first strange thing on our list is the face on Mars. This peculiar formation was first discovered in 1976 by the Viking 1 orbiter. As it was taking images of the Martian surface in the Cydonia region, one particular photograph captured the imagination of millions. The image showed what appeared to be a gigantic human face staring up from the surface of Mars. Conspiracy theories and speculations erupted almost immediately. Some claimed it was proof of an ancient Martian civilization, while others suggested it was a cleverly crafted alien monument. However, scientists quickly pointed out that this phenomenon could be explained by pareidolia, a psychological tendency where human brains recognize familiar patterns like faces in random configurations. Subsequent high-resolution imagery from later Mars missions, such as the Mars Global Surveyor and the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, revealed that the face-like appearance was simply a trick of light and shadow on a naturally occurring mesa. Despite the scientific explanations, the face on Mars continues to capture popular imagination and remains a topic of fascination and debate. This discovery not only sparked interest in Mars exploration, but also highlighted how human perception can be influenced by suggestive imagery. The second strange thing involves Mars blueberries. These intriguing formations were first discovered by NASA's Opportunity rover in 2004 while exploring the Meridiani Planum region. Mars blueberries are small, round, iron-rich spheres that scattered across the Martian surface, resembling blueberries in size and shape. Scientists call these spheres hematite concretions. Their presence is significant because they hint at Mars' watery past. Hematite usually forms in water through a process that requires both liquid water and a considerable amount of time. This evidence supports the hypothesis that Mars once had environments that could sustain liquid water, or even ancient lakes or seas. The discovery of Mars blueberries was a game-changer in the search for past life on the red planet. Understanding how these spheres formed helps scientists piece together the history of water on Mars and is crucial for determining the planet's habitability. These small, seemingly simple formations have profound implications, revealing a planet that was once much wetter and possibly more Earth-like than we ever imagined. The third strange thing involves the Hollow Boulder, discovered by the Curiosity rover in 2015. This unusual rock formation immediately piqued the curiosity of scientists and enthusiasts alike. The boulder appears to have a hollow interior with a perfectly round opening visible on one side. This kind of formation is rarely seen on Mars, leading to a variety of theories about its origin. Some suggest that it could be a volcanic bomb, a type of rock ejected during volcanic eruptions that cools in mid-air and sometimes forms a hollow shell. Others believe it might be the result of erosion, where wind and sand have worn away the softer material inside a harder rock, leaving the hollow structure. More speculative theories even propose that it could be an artifact left by ancient Martian inhabitants or a remnant of a meteorite impact. While the exact cause remains uncertain, the Hollow Boulder serves as a fascinating subject for further study, shedding light on the complex geological processes occurring on Mars. This discovery not only adds another piece to the puzzle of Martian history, but also continues to feed our sense of wonder about what other secrets the red planet might hold. The fourth strange thing involves the Mars Pyramid. This pyramid-like structure has been the subject of intense debate and fascination since it was first spotted by the Mars Global Surveyor in 1998. Located in the Elysium Planitia region, the formation strikingly resembles the pyramids of Egypt, featuring sharp edges and a distinct triangular shape. This uncanny resemblance has prompted a multitude of theories ranging from the plausible to the extraordinary. Some speculate that this formation could be the work of an ancient Martian civilization, suggesting that it might serve as a tomb or a ceremonial monument akin to our own pyramids. Others propose that it could be a geological feature formed by natural processes such as volcanic activity or erosion. Researchers leaning towards a scientific explanation have noted that wind erosion, combined with Mars' unique climate, could potentially carve out such a shape over millennia. However, the precise angles and symmetry of the structure continue to fuel discussions about its true origin. Advanced imaging and exploration missions might provide more clarity, but for now, the Mars Pyramid remains an enigmatic and thought-provoking feature of the Martian landscape. This discovery not only challenges our understanding of geological formations, but also keeps the door open to the tantalizing possibility that Mars might have once harbored intelligent life. The fifth strange thing involves the Martian Spoon. Discovered by the Curiosity rover in 2015, this peculiar rock formation rapidly captured the Internet's imagination due to its uncanny resemblance to a spoon. The image shared by NASA shows a thin, elongated structure with a curved end, almost identical to a standard kitchen spoon, seemingly floating above the Martian surface. This discovery quickly went viral, sparking a flurry of speculations and theories. Some enthusiasts interpreted it as evidence of an ancient civilization, imagining Martian inhabitants using it in their daily lives. Others saw it as further proof of alien artifacts left behind on Mars. However, scientists offered a more grounded explanation. They suggested that the Martian Spoon is an example of a naturally occurring rock formation shaped by wind erosion. Mars' strong and persistent winds, combined with its dry and dusty environment, can sculpt rocks into a variety of unusual shapes. This spoon-like rock is likely an instance of this process at work. Despite the rational explanations, the Martian Spoon remains a fun and intriguing topic for both scientists and the public. It highlights how easily our minds can be influenced by familiar shapes, even in the most unexpected places. This discovery not only adds to the fascinating array of strange formations on Mars, but also continues to spark curiosity and wonder about the Red Planet. The sixth strange thing involves the Mars Bigfoot. This bizarre phenomenon was first noticed in a photograph taken by the Spirit rover in 2008. The image captured what appears to be a Bigfoot-like silhouette perched on a rock, seemingly looking out over the Martian landscape. The figure, roughly human-sized, resembles a crouching creature and quickly became a sensation among enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists alike. Some speculated that this silhouette was evidence of a Martian creature or even a statue left behind by an ancient civilization. Theories ran wild, from Martian wildlife to alien artifacts, each more sensational than the last. However, scientists and skeptics offered a more mundane explanation. They suggested that the so-called Mars Bigfoot is simply another case of pareidolia, where the human brain interprets random shapes and shadows as familiar forms. The rocky terrain, combined with the unique lighting conditions on Mars, can create illusions that trick our perception, much like the face on Mars. Subsequent analysis and higher-resolution images revealed that the silhouette is just an oddly shaped rock formation, casting a shadow that gives it a humanoid appearance. While the scientific community largely dismisses the idea of a Martian Bigfoot, this discovery continues to capture the imagination of the public. It serves as a reminder of how easily our minds can be swayed by suggestive imagery and how Mars continues to hold mysteries that keep us endlessly intrigued. The seventh strange thing involves the Martian jelly donut. This peculiar rock formation, officially named Pinnacle Island, was discovered by NASA Opportunity Rover in January 2014. The mystery began when the rover captured an image of a rock that looked startlingly like a jelly donut with a white rim and a red center which seemed to appear out of nowhere. This sudden appearance puzzled scientists and sparked a flurry of speculations and theories. Some enthusiasts suggested that the rock was placed there by Martians or was some sort of alien artifact. Others hypothesized that it could be evidence of active geological processes or even an unknown life form. However, upon closer examination, the scientific explanation was far less extraordinary but still fascinating. Researchers determined that the jelly donut rock was actually a piece of a larger rock that had been broken and moved by the rover's wheels. Opportunity had unknowingly dislodged the rock while maneuvering, causing it to flip over and land in its new, conspicuous position. This incident highlighted the dynamic nature of Mars exploration and the sometimes surprising interactions between the rovers and the Martian environment. While the Martian jelly donut may not be proof of extraterrestrial activity, it stands as a testament to the unexpected discoveries that can occur during planetary exploration and keeps the public engaged and curious about the red planet. The eighth strange thing involves the Mars light shaft. This mysterious phenomenon was captured by the Curiosity rover in 2014, drawing significant attention and speculation. The image shows a bright light beaming up from the Martian surface, almost like a spotlight piercing through the atmosphere. The light appears to be emanating from the ground, creating an eerie and intriguing sight. People quickly offered a plethora of theories to explain this unusual occurrence. Some suggested that the light shaft was proof of artificial structures or underground bases, possibly built by an ancient Martian civilization or even current extraterrestrial inhabitants. Others theorized that it might be signals from spaceships or advanced technology hidden beneath the Martian crust. Despite the captivating allure of these ideas, scientists proposed more conventional explanations. One common theory is that the light shaft could be a simple reflection of the sun off a rock or another shiny surface, causing a brief, intense burst of light captured by the rover's camera. Another possibility is that the light was caused by a cosmic ray striking the camera's sensor, a known phenomenon that can create bright spots in images taken in space. This kind of event is not uncommon and has been observed in numerous other space missions. While these scientific explanations are plausible, the exact cause of the Mars light shaft remains uncertain, leaving room for continued curiosity and debate. This discovery not only adds another layer of mystery to the red planet, but also showcases how Mars can surprise us in unexpected ways, constantly challenging our understanding and sparking our imagination. The ninth strange thing involves the Mars rotating stone. This perplexing phenomenon was first observed by NASA Curiosity rover in 2017. A series of images captured over multiple sols, which are Martian days, showed a small stone appearing to change its position, almost as if it were rotating in place. This unusual movement sparked a wave of curiosity and various hypotheses about what could be causing the stone to move. Some enthusiasts leaped to the idea that it might be evidence of current geological activity on Mars, possibly involving subsurface water or even Martian creatures pushing it around. Others speculated that it could be influenced by magnetic forces or Mars' thin atmosphere interacting with the surface in unexpected ways. However, scientists have proposed more grounded explanations. One leading theory suggests that the movement could be caused by subtle shifts in the terrain, such as small landslides or the expansion and contraction of the ground due to temperature changes. These processes could gradually nudge the stone, making it appear to rotate over time. Another possibility is that the stone might be affected by wind gusts. While Mars' atmosphere is much thinner than Earth's, its winds can still be strong enough to move small objects. This rotating stone, therefore, might be a result of these sporadic but powerful Martian winds. Despite these explanations, the exact cause of the Mars rotating stone remains a topic of ongoing research and debate. This discovery not only adds to the intriguing list of Martian mysteries, but also underscores the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the red planet. As we continue to explore and study Mars, phenomena like the rotating stone remind us of the many unknowns that await discovery, keeping our curiosity and imagination alive. The 10th strange thing involves the Mars rodent. This intriguing observation was made in 2012 when NASA Curiosity rover captured an image of a rock formation that uncannily resembled a rodent. The image shows a small, mouse-like shape with what appears to be a nose, eyes, and ears, sitting among the red rocks and dust of the Martian surface. This rodent-like figure quickly went viral, sparking a multitude of speculations and theories. Enthusiasts were quick to claim it as evidence of life on Mars, imagining the possibility of Martian mammals scurrying around the planet's surface. Others speculated that it might be an ancient statue or some form of alien artifact left behind by a past civilization. However, scientists offered a more rational explanation. They suggested that the Mars rodent is another instance of pareidolia, where the human brain interprets random shapes and patterns as familiar objects or beings. The rock formation's shape, combined with the angle of the photograph and the shadows cast by the Martian sun, created an illusion that strongly resembled a rodent. Despite the scientific explanations, this image remains a fascinating and often cited example of how our perceptions can be easily influenced by suggestive imagery. It also highlights the allure of Mars exploration, where even an ordinary rock can ignite our imaginations. This discovery not only adds to the diverse array of strange and captivating formations on Mars, but also continues to fuel the ongoing debate and curiosity about the potential for life on the red planet. The 11th strange thing involves the Mars stone circle. This fascinating feature was discovered by the Curiosity rover in 2016 while exploring the Gale crater. The rover captured images of a peculiar arrangement of stones that form a near-perfect circle, an unusual and striking pattern against the typically chaotic Martian landscape. This enigmatic formation has sparked a wide range of theories and interpretations. Some enthusiasts believe it could be evidence of past intelligent life on Mars, suggesting that an ancient civilization might have arranged these stones for ritualistic or astronomical purposes, much like the stone circles found on Earth, such as Stonehenge. Others speculate that it could be the result of geological processes unique to the red planet. Scientists, on the other hand, have offered more conventional explanations. One plausible theory is that the stone circle could be the result of natural erosion and sedimentary processes. Over millions of years, wind, water, and other geological forces could have gradually moved and shaped these stones into a circular pattern. Another possibility is that the circle was formed by a process known as frost heaving, where the repeated freezing and thawing of subsurface ice pushes stones to the surface and arranges them in a distinctive pattern. This phenomenon is not uncommon in Earth's cold regions, and similar processes could occur on Mars given its frigid temperatures. Despite these scientific explanations, the Mars stone circle continues to intrigue and puzzle researchers and the public alike. Its near-perfect symmetry and the mystery of its origin make it a captivating subject for further study. This discovery not only adds another layer of intrigue to the red planet, but also challenges our understanding of Martian geology and the potential for surprising and unexplained phenomena on Mars. The 12th strange thing involves the Mars crab. This peculiar formation was first noticed in 2014 through images captured by the Curiosity rover. The photograph shows a bizarre structure within a Martian rock that strikingly resembles a crab, with legs splayed out in all directions and a body in the center. This discovery quickly enthralled both scientists and the public, igniting a flurry of theories and discussions. some people speculated that it might be evidence of extraterrestrial life, suggesting that this crab-like figure could be a fossilized creature from Mars' distant past. Others proposed that it could be an alien artifact or some form of Martian sculpture. However, scientists and skeptics have pointed out more grounded explanations. They suggest that the Mars crab is another example of pareidolia, where humans see familiar shapes in random configurations of rocks and shadows. The unique lighting conditions on Mars, combined with the rock's natural erosion, likely created this optical illusion, making a simple rock formation appear crab-like. Despite these rational explanations, the image of the Mars crab continues to captivate imaginations, illustrating how easily our minds can be tricked by suggestive shapes. This discovery not only adds another intriguing formation to the list of Martian mysteries, but also highlights how the red planet continually surprises us with its fascinating geological features. Whether a result of natural processes or just a trick of the eye, the Mars crab is a testament to the enduring mystery and allure of our celestial neighbor. The 13th strange thing involves the Mars boulder tracks. These fascinating trails were first observed by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter in 2008. Captured in the images are long, distinct tracks etched into the Martian surface, seemingly left behind by boulders that have tumbled down slopes. The sight of these trails immediately prompted a variety of theories about what could be causing these boulders to move. Some enthusiasts speculated about seismic activity or mysterious subterranean forces pushing the boulders along. Others even imagined the possibility of ancient Martian life forms responsible for these movements. However, scientists provided more plausible explanations grounded in physical processes. One of the leading theories is that these boulder tracks result from gravity-driven rockfalls, where rocks loosen and roll downhill due to the planet's gravitational pull. This can occur due to natural events like temperature fluctuations causing the rocks to crack and break free, or from the slow erosion of the surrounding material. Another possibility is that wind on Mars, although weaker than on Earth due to the thin atmosphere, can still influence the movement of loose rocks over time. The boulders' pathways are marked by the grooves they carve into the Martian soil, creating these visually striking tracks. The Mars boulder tracks not only provide a window into the dynamic geological processes of the red planet, but also remind us of the ever-changing nature of its landscape. These trails serve as evidence of Mars' active surface environment and continue to intrigue scientists and space enthusiasts alike, fueling our fascination with the planet's mysterious and captivating terrain. The 14th strange thing involves the Mars glass tubes. These enigmatic structures were first noticed in images taken by the Mars Global Surveyor in 2000. The photos revealed what appeared to be long, tube-like formations with a glassy appearance winding across the Martian landscape. These puzzling features have sparked a multitude of theories and speculations. Some enthusiasts believe that these glass tubes could be ancient transportation tunnels built by a long-lost Martian civilization, designed to shield inhabitants from the harsh surface conditions. Others propose that they might be remnants of some advanced alien infrastructure or even natural conduits for water or lava flows. Scientists have suggested several natural explanations for these glass-like tunnels. One prominent theory is that the tubes could be the result of volcanic activity, specifically lava tubes formed when molten lava flows beneath a hardened surface layer, creating a hollow tunnel. Over time, the top layer might cool and solidify into a glassy material due to rapid cooling, giving the appearance of glass. Another possibility is that the tubes are the result of wind erosion, where Martian winds have carved out elongated formations in softer rock, leaving behind these intriguing structures. Additionally, some researchers speculate that the tubes could be the consequence of sublimation, where solid carbon dioxide or water ice beneath the surface transitions directly into gas, creating voids or tunnels that collapse and form elongated shapes. Despite these scientific theories, the true nature of the Mars glass tubes remains a subject of ongoing research and debate. This discovery not only adds another layer of mystery to the red planet, but also challenges our understanding of Martian geology and the potential for unexpected and unexplained phenomena. As our exploration of Mars continues, these glass-like tunnels stand as a reminder of the many secrets the red planet has yet to reveal, fueling our quest for knowledge and keeping our imaginations alive. The 15th strange thing involves the Mars skull. This peculiar rock formation was discovered in 2015 by the Curiosity rover and quickly captured the attention of enthusiasts and scientists alike. The rock in question bears an uncanny resemblance to a human skull, complete with eye sockets, a nasal cavity, and even a jawline. As images of this skull-shaped rock spread across the internet, they generated a wave of excitement and speculation. Many people were quick to suggest that this formation was evidence of past intelligent life on Mars, imagining an ancient Martian civilization that once roamed the red planet. The striking likeness to a skull fueled theories about possible Martian inhabitants and their remains being scattered across the planet's surface. However, scientists proposed more rational explanations. They emphasized that the phenomenon of pareidolia is likely at play here, where the human brain perceives familiar shapes like faces or skulls in random patterns. The combination of Mars' natural rock formations, lighting conditions, and shadows can create illusions that strongly resemble recognizable objects, even when they are just coincidental arrangements of stones and terrain. Despite the scientific explanations, the Mars skull continues to be a captivating topic of discussion and debate. It highlights the powerful influence of suggestive imagery and our deep-rooted fascination with the possibility of life beyond Earth. This discovery not only adds to the intriguing catalogue of strange formations on Mars, but also inspires continued curiosity and wonder about the red planet. As we delve deeper into Mars exploration, each new discovery, like the Mars skull, reminds us of the mystery and allure that keeps driving our quest for knowledge and understanding of our celestial neighbor. The 16th strange thing involves the Mars fence. This intriguing feature was first identified in images taken by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter in 2012. The photograph reveals a series of linear formations that bear a striking resemblance to a fence, with evenly spaced vertical segments stretching across the Martian landscape. This unusual configuration quickly caught the attention of both scientists and the public, sparking a wide range of theories and interpretations. Some enthusiasts believe that the Mars fence could be evidence of artificial structures built by an ancient Martian civilization, possibly to delineate territory or serve as protective barriers. Others speculate that it might be remnants of alien technology or advanced infrastructure left behind by extraterrestrial beings. Scientists, however, offer more conventional explanations grounded in natural processes. One plausible hypothesis is that these fence-like formations are the result of geological activity, such as the cracking and fracturing of the Martian surface, caused by tectonic forces or the expansion and contraction of subsurface ice. Over time, these cracks could become more pronounced, creating the appearance of evenly spaced segments. Another possibility is that the formations are the result of erosion, where wind and sand have carved out linear patterns in the softer rock, leaving behind the harder material in a fence-like arrangement. Additionally, the unique lighting and shadow conditions on Mars could enhance the appearance of these formations, making them look more regular and artificial than they actually are. Despite the scientific explanations, the true origin of the Mars fence remains a subject of ongoing research and debate. This discovery not only adds another layer of mystery to the red planet, but also challenges our understanding of Martian geology and the potential for surprising and unexplained phenomena. As we continue to explore and study Mars, features like the Mars fence remind us of the many secrets the planet holds, keeping our curiosity and imagination alive. The 17th strange thing involves the Mars fungus. Evaluating the controversial claims of fungal life, we dive into a debate that has intrigued scientists and the public alike. This phenomenon was brought into the spotlight in 2014 when a series of images taken by the Curiosity rover appeared to show small, white, mushroom-like structures scattered across the Martian surface. These structures, resembling fungi or lichen, sparked a wave of speculation and excitement. Some researchers and enthusiasts suggested that these could be signs of fungal life on Mars, proposing that the planet's harsh environment might still harbor extremophiles organisms capable of surviving in extreme conditions. Supporters of this theory pointed to the shapes, colors, and growth-like patterns observed in the images, arguing that they resembled terrestrial fungi. They hypothesized that microbial life could have adapted to Mars' unique conditions, forming these intriguing structures. However, the scientific community remains divided on this issue. Many experts caution that these observations are likely the result of non-biological processes. They propose that the fungus-like formations could be explained by abiotic factors such as mineral deposits, frost heaving, or peculiar erosional patterns. Mars' harsh environment, with its freezing temperatures, high radiation levels, and thin atmosphere, poses significant challenges for the survival of life as we know it. Critics argue that the conditions on Mars are too extreme for fungi or similar organisms to thrive. Despite these counterarguments, the possibility of fungal life on Mars continues to capture imaginations and fuels ongoing research. The Mars fungus debate highlights the complexities and challenges of astrobiology, where distinguishing between biological and non-biological processes can be incredibly difficult. As missions to Mars continue and our technology advances, future explorations might provide more definitive answers. Until then, the idea of Martian fungi remains an enticing and controversial topic, adding another layer of mystery to the Red Planet and reminding us of the endless possibilities that space exploration holds. The 18th strange thing involves the Mars Phase 2.0. This unusual formation was discovered in 2021 by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter in the Niloceates region. Much like the original face on Mars found in 1976, this new face-like formation quickly sparked interest and debate among scientists and the public. The image shows a large, human-like face with distinct features, including eyes, a nose, and a mouth, etched into the Martian surface. Enthusiasts immediately speculated that this could be evidence of an ancient Martian civilization, suggesting that multiple such formations might indicate a pattern of intentional creations. Some even theorized that these faces could serve as a form of communication or a marker left by extraterrestrial beings. However, as with the first face on Mars, scientists offered a more grounded explanation. They pointed out that this phenomenon is likely another instance of pareidolia, where the human brain sees familiar patterns in random shapes. The interplay of light and shadow, combined with the natural topography of Mars, can create illusions that resemble recognizable objects. High-resolution images and further analysis revealed that the face-like appearance was due to a combination of ridges, valleys, and rock formations that happened to align in a way that mimicked a human face. Despite the scientific explanations, the Mars Phase 2.0 continues to captivate imaginations and fuel discussions about the potential for intelligent life on Mars. This discovery not only adds to the list of enigmatic formations on the Red Planet, but also underscores the powerful influence of human perception. It reminds us that our quest to understand Mars is as much about exploring our own cognitive biases as it is about uncovering the planet's secrets. As we continue to study Mars, findings like the Mars Phase 2.0 will keep our curiosity and sense of wonder alive, encouraging us to look deeper and think critically about the mysteries of our celestial neighbor. The 19th strange thing involves the Mars Donut Rock. First noticed by NASA Opportunity rover in 2014, This puzzling formation captured immediate attention due to its sudden appearance and striking resemblance to a jelly-filled donut. Officially named Pinnacle Island, this rock was not present in an earlier image taken just days before, leading to a flurry of speculation and theories about how it appeared so quickly. The Mars Donut Rock features a dark red center surrounded by a lighter-colored rim, mirroring the look of a classic donut. Its unexpected presence led to wild theories, including suggestions that it was a piece of debris from an alien craft or evidence of some unknown Martian life form. However, scientists soon provided a more grounded explanation for this mysterious object. Upon closer examination, researchers determined that the donut-shaped rock was actually a piece of a larger rock that had been dislodged and moved by the rover's wheels. As Opportunity maneuvered across the Martian surface, it unknowingly flipped over a rock, causing it to land in its now famous position. This incident highlights the dynamic interactions between the rover's and Mars' environment, demonstrating how even mundane activities like rover movements can lead to surprising discoveries. The sudden appearance of the Mars Donut Rock serves as a reminder of the ever-changing landscape of Mars and the fascinating, if sometimes mundane, processes that can produce seemingly extraordinary phenomena. While it may not be evidence of extraterrestrial activity, it provides valuable insights into the mechanics of Mars exploration and continues to captivate the public's imagination. This discovery adds another intriguing chapter to the story of the Red Planet, keeping our curiosity piqued and our imaginations vibrant as we continue to explore and uncover the secrets of Mars. The 20th strange thing involves the Mars Pyramid Revisited. Initially discovered by the Mars Global Surveyor in 1998, the pyramid-like structure in the Elysium Planitia region continues to fuel intense debates and research. Recent studies have revisited this enigmatic formation, providing new insights and updated theories on its origins. Advanced imaging techniques and data from subsequent missions, including the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, have allowed scientists to analyze the structure in greater detail. One of the newest theories suggests that the pyramid's striking geometric shape could be the result of unique erosional processes. Mars' thin atmosphere and frequent dust storms might have worn away the surrounding material, gradually sculpting the pyramid's sharp edges and triangular profile. Another hypothesis posits that the pyramid could be a volcanic feature known as a cinder cone, formed by explosive volcanic activity that accumulates around a vent, creating a steep-sided hill. This theory is supported by the presence of other volcanic features in the Elysium Planitia region, indicating that volcanic activity has played a significant role in shaping the Martian landscape. However, some researchers still entertain the idea that the Mars Pyramid might be an artificial structure. They argue that the geometric precision and symmetry of the formation are difficult to explain through natural processes alone. These proponents suggest that further exploration and higher resolution imaging are needed to determine if the pyramid could be a remnant of an ancient Martian civilization or even a marker left by extraterrestrial visitors. While the scientific community remains divided, the Mars Pyramid Revisited continues to captivate our imagination and spark our curiosity. This ongoing investigation not only deepens our understanding of Martian geology, but also highlights the enduring allure of the Red Planet's mysteries. As we look forward to future missions and technological advancements, the Mars Pyramid will undoubtedly remain a focal point of intrigue and study, reminding us of the countless secrets still waiting to be discovered on our neighboring world. Combining complex objects, we turn our attention to the numerous Earth-like formations found on Mars. Theories explaining why Mars seems to have so many familiar shapes range from scientific principles to fascinating speculation. A key principle involves the concept of pareidolia, where humans naturally recognize patterns and shapes in random configurations. From the face on Mars to the Mars rodent, this tendency to find familiar forms can explain many of the peculiar images captured by Mars rovers and orbiters. Another scientific perspective attributes these formations to similar geological processes that have shaped both Earth and Mars over millions of years. Just like on Earth, volcanic activity, erosion, and the effects of wind and water have sculpted the Martian landscape, these processes can create formations that look surprisingly familiar to those found on our planet, such as pyramids, boulders, and even supposed fossils. Some scientists propose that Mars' environmental conditions, like its thin atmosphere and frequent dust storms, contribute to the creation of these recognizable shapes. The interplay of light and shadow, combined with the planet's unique climate, can also enhance the appearance of these formations, making them look more artificial or familiar than they actually are. On the more speculative side, theories suggest that these Earth-like formations might be remnants of past intelligent activity, either from ancient Martian civilizations or visiting extraterrestrials. Proponents of this idea argue that the geometric precision and symmetry observed in some structures, like the Mars pyramid, are difficult to explain through natural processes alone. They believe further exploration and advanced imaging could one day reveal artificial origins for some of these enigmatic features. Additionally, some enthusiasts contend that the similarities between Martian and Earth formations could be a sign of a shared planetary history or even cosmic influences that have shaped both worlds. While the scientific community remains cautious about jumping to extraordinary conclusions, the possibility of uncovering evidence of past life or ancient civilizations on Mars continues to captivate our collective imagination. As we advance our technology and expand our exploration efforts, we may come closer to unraveling the true nature of these mysterious formations, whether the result of natural geological processes or something more extraordinary. The Earth-like shapes found on Mars fuel our curiosity and drive our quest to understand the Red Planet. Exploring the impact on future missions, we see how these strange findings influence future Mars missions and studies. From faces and pyramids that spark debates about past life to geological anomalies challenging our understanding, each discovery pushes the boundaries of our technological and scientific endeavors. The face on Mars and similar formations have led to the development of more advanced imaging tools and techniques, enabling scientists to capture high-resolution images and analyze Martian terrain with greater accuracy. This drive for clearer visuals ensures that future missions can better distinguish between natural formations and potential artifacts, reducing ambiguity. The presence of Mars blueberries and other signs of water has revolutionized our approach to searching for life. Missions are increasingly focused on regions with evidence of past water activity, using sophisticated instruments to look for biomarkers and possible microbial life. These sites are prime candidates for sample return missions, which aim to bring Martian soil and rock back to Earth for detailed analysis. Discoveries like the Hollow Boulder and Mars glass tubes have prompted the design of rovers equipped with advanced geological tools. These instruments can probe beneath the surface, providing insights into subsurface structures and potential volcanic activity. Understanding Mars' geological history is crucial for piecing together the planet's evolution and assessing its habitability. The intriguing formations resembling familiar Earth objects like the Mars Spoon and Mars Bigfoot emphasize the need for multi-dimensional analysis. Future missions may include more comprehensive sets of imaging and sensory equipment to capture not just visual but also spectral and chemical data. This holistic approach can help decode the complex interplay of light, terrain, and material composition on Mars. As for the more mysterious phenomena such as the Mars light shaft and Mars fungus, they inspire the development of experiments and technologies aimed at detecting active processes. Instruments capable of measuring environmental conditions, radiation levels, and potential biological activity could be key in uncovering the nature of these enigmatic findings. The continuous discovery of these strange features also highlights the importance of collaborative international missions. Sharing data, resources, and expertise across space agencies can accelerate the pace of exploration and lead to more comprehensive and conclusive results. The impact of these findings is not just scientific but also philosophical, pushing humanity to ponder our place in the universe and the possibilities of life beyond Earth. As we prepare for manned missions to Mars, these discoveries shape the design of habitats, life support systems, and exploration strategies, ensuring that future astronauts are well equipped to study and live on this enigmatic planet. The strange things we have found on Mars drive a relentless quest for knowledge, fueling our imagination and determination to uncover the secrets of our celestial neighbor. As we look to the future, each new mission builds on the discoveries of the past, bringing us closer to understanding the red planet's mysteries and perhaps even finding signs of life. As we conclude this incredible journey through the 20 strangest things found on Mars, let's take a moment to recap the most intriguing discoveries that continue to fuel our fascination with the red planet. From the face on Mars that sparked debates about ancient civilizations to the Mars blueberries hinting at a watery past, each finding adds a layer of complexity to our understanding of Mars. The Hollow Boulder with its mysterious hollow interior, the pyramid-like structures that resemble those in Egypt, and the Martian Spoon that went viral on the internet, they all challenge our perception and push the boundaries of what's possible. Not to forget the Mars rodent and Mars skull, which, despite scientific explanations, capture our imaginations and keep the debate about potential life on Mars alive. The enigmatic Mars light shaft and the rotating stone add to the list of phenomena that defy easy explanations, while the Mars glass tubes and Mars fungus open up the possibility of past or even current biological activity. Each of these discoveries not only deepens our curiosity, but also drives future missions to unravel more of Mars' secrets. The advanced imaging techniques, specialized instruments, and collaborative efforts from various space agencies are all geared towards one goal: to understand this enigmatic planet better. Mars remains a place of mystery, a celestial neighbor that continuously surprises, challenges, and inspires us. As we look forward to future missions and technological advancements, the secrets of Mars beckon us to keep exploring, questioning, and dreaming. Who knows what we might discover next? Until then, keep your eyes on the skies and your imagination alive. And if you've enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our cosmic adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more space mysteries that will leave you in awe.